Pretty nice 27 Henderson. Not as nice as you're gonna find probably here in Italy. And Rimini, there's that Balsamo. I think so cool. One of my favorites. Balsamo. Italy too. See that, Luca? Balsamo.
Uh-huh.
This place has the most unique bikes in Italy. Very unusual stuff. Motum and Via Gusta. Benelli Quattro. Benelli Sei. And they got this crazy stuff. Mako Mobile. Thing's massive. There's a bumper car. FM. Rumi. Rumis were good. One of the best scooters ever made was Rumi. The Scott's Flying Squirrel. Stucci, Italian, very cool bike. Possible to find. This is the real early stuff here. Look at this thing. Francia 1903 with a cart in the back. You're riding back there. Pretty crazy. It's early stuff. They say this is the first, which anyone could have made that after time, but who knows. Sunbeam. 1918 Sunbeam, that's early. GB Sunbeam, 1922, Great Britain. Pretty early too. Near car. What's that one back there? Three-wheeler. Francia. Pretty cool.